This is a video tour of 70 Clarkson, number 14, a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment home. Right off the entry here, you have a really nice dining room and living room space with a great entry closet as well too. Off of the living room, you have a really great four-season patio space as well, with its own heated section out there. As you come through, you can kind of see all through the living space in here, so really good size on that. From the living room, you can come right through here and into the kitchen space. Very nice spacious kitchen. Gives you plenty of room to work within. Updated nice black appliances in there as well. Straight across from the kitchen, you have the guest bath with a tub shower combo. Nice large space through there. As we come out, you do have a linen closet right off of that bathroom as well too for the secondary bedroom. Straight down the hallway is the secondary bedroom. Very nice sized bedroom space with a large closet space in there as well. From the second bedroom and straight across from that one, you come into the master bedroom with the attached master bath. Master bath has its own shower, nice stand-up shower section that actually has its own seated shower area in there as well. And then from that, larger master bedroom area, nice big space through there. That will then also bring you through to the master closet. One last option in here as well, off of the bedroom space, you do have a second linen closet area off of the bathroom space. So plenty of space for storage. Really beautiful apartment home with some great unique features as well. I hope you enjoyed this video tour of 70 Clarkson, number 14.